it didn't really quite get my slider to my spots and my cutter in that first inning. Yeah, I would say it was more about execution, and then that fifth inning kind of just was more the same.
What do you think's been the difference for you between starting and working out there?
To be honest, man, I don't think there's been much of a difference. I've had some bad breaks as a starter with weak contact and falling into no man's land, getting ground balls. Today was actually probably the most different of all my starts and all my outings. I didn't execute as well as I normally do. I've done a really good job up until this point of executing those sliders down and away and missing, down and away off the plate. Today got a lot of the plate, to line up that feast on off speed in the zone.
Usually your changeup's kind of your main pitch. How do you feel about where that pitch is at right now?
Changeup feels great. I just didn't get to it. Maybe they got to it before I can get there. I know I usually hunt, where I can throw my changeup. Maybe I don't think it was not that I didn't want to throw my changeup today. I just they got to move forward. I threw them the pitch that they can handle the best before I can even get to my changeup where they did. Yeah, I don't think I made that adjustment quick enough today, where the awareness of, hey, this is where my slider's at today. Let's either find a way to expand it, or get it to my spot, or go to something else and tack down a bunch of runs.
When Arraez hits the leadoff home run, how does that impact you as a starting pitcher?
Not at all, man. I'm actually rather that than him on base. Creates chaos. But again, that was another pitch I didn't execute. The cutter I didn't execute a couple times today. That was a pitch, where he's pretty quick in there and he gets to it, and I didn't get it in there, and he made me pay for it.
Nick, do you feel like a lot of the season has been bad luck, injuries for this team, or has it just been on the whole, regardless of all that, not great baseball by this team so far?
No, I think we're playing great. I think we're sticking to, our process, and you don't want guys getting hit in the wrist, and we've had a bunch of that this year. I think throughout the league, guys have been just getting hit, in a bad spot. It's funny, we've talked about, the Eagle Shield made something that, kind of guard, almost like a shin guard, but for the back wrist. Yeah, guys getting banged up is not ideal, right? You got to move forward. And,
as a pitcher,
despite where we are, I think we have a brighter future ahead of us.
As a pitcher yourself, though, you still have to pitch inside.
Right. Just because you're hitting guys and our guys getting hit, that's part of the game. I think we've had some bad luck again with that on the offensive side, and on the pitching side, we've had some bad luck, and not just myself, but with good executed pitches and some weak contact that falls into base hits. I think we just got to keep going. It's something we hard about. We have young guys. It can be easy to get away from the game plan, but if we stick to the process and go out and keep competing, you gotta maintain that mentality that it'll turn around.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.